Okay, so good morning. So our task to talk about the sequence. When we say sequence, we are dealing with different patterns. So to understand more here, let's take examine this problem. So what are the next three terms of the sequence 1, 4, 9, and 7? Notice that when we are solving, we are using different code name, which is lead us to, when we say first term, we are using a sub 1 as the first term, which is 1. We have here a sub 2, and that is 4, a sub 3, and that is 9, a sub 4, and that is 16. So to get what are the next three term, which is a sub 5, a sub 6, and a sub 7, there are different ways to solve for that. So I will show you two ways. The first thing that we're going to use is the difference table. When we say difference table, we are getting the difference between two consecutive terms, which are considering the given sequence, difference table. So we have here a table. We have 1, 4, 9, and 16. Okay, so notice that we are getting the difference between a sub 2 and a sub 1. So what is the difference between 4 and 1? And that is lead us to 3. How about 9 and 4? It will lead us into 5. How about 16 and 9? That is 7. Notice that 3, 5, 7 are odd number. Therefore, the next difference must be 9. Therefore, to get the next term, which is a sub 5, we need to add 16 to the difference. So 16 plus 9, that will lead us into 25. Therefore, we can say that a sub 5 is equal to 25. How about a sub 6? What is the next odd number next to 9? That is 11. So plus 11, therefore a sub 6 now is equal to 36. How about the next number next to 11? And that is 13. So 13 plus 36, and that is a sub 7, therefore is equal to 49. Therefore, the next terms in the given sequence are 25, 36, and 49. Now, there are also different way. So we are other way is to use the general pattern. How do we get the general pattern? So writing the sequence, which is 1, 4, 9, and 16. Notice that these are number are perfect square. When we say perfect square, we are dealing with a number that is which is product of a number being multiplied by itself. So for example, 1, the products are 1 and 1. So 2 and 2 lead us to 4. 3 times 3, 3 and 3, the product will be 9, and repeated continuously. Therefore, instead of writing this number, so we are tasked to find the general pattern. So instead of writing any number will be substituted as a sub n. Then this is equal to a number that is multiplied by itself, or simply n square. So this is now the general form. Now let us check if that is correct. So let's take for example a sub 1. A sub 1 is 1. So instead of writing n, we use to write 1. So n also is 1, so 1 is square, and the product is 1. How about a sub 2, or the second term, which is 4? So instead of writing 1, we are using 2. So 2 is square, lead us to 4, which is the next pattern. Okay, therefore we can get easily a sub 5 by using the general pattern, which is n square. So instead of writing n, we use 5. So that is 5 square, which is equal to 25. Therefore a sub 5 is 25, and so on and so forth. And since 6 squared, that is 36, and 7 squared, that is 49. So we have here now the final answer, which is 25, 36, and 49.